I'll cut the wire off of this one a bit so I can get it down lower. You can kind of open these things up like that. And then bend it out of the way of the cookies. And then, well, I have these. I don't know if we need them, though. I mean, it's getting to be a little much. I don't think we do. I did have those just in case. But we can take a few of the coins and kind of get these in this area. And you could hot glue these on, too. That's really all you can see, so open this up. Okay, so we've got a cute little arrangement there. What I could do is just take the tablecloth and pop it down underneath it. So if you're going to do this as a centerpiece on your table, I usually just scrunch this up. In the middle, you can put some coins around. Come around the front and flatten this out a little bit. Now how about if we do this? Okay, there you go. I mean, this isn't the best right here, but, you know, on your table with all your other things, with the coins and everything. I think it makes it cute. I like that little guy standing up there against that, too. You could have put a lot more cookies down here if you had more guests coming over. So there you go, a fun bouquet for St. Paddy's Day. I hope you guys have a good one.